Hey you guys, welcome to the Blending with Henry show. My name is Henry. I could barely wait to reveal this. I'm excited to show you guys something delicious you can make at home while staying safe. It's the biggest sensation hitting the internet. Today we're making Dalgona Coffee. The internet is buzzing about this amazing drink. Now only 3 ingredients and it's made in the Vitamix AER DISC Container in under 30 seconds. So let's get started. Because how beautiful this drink looks, you think only a high-end restaurant could make this. Now when you have the right tools, it's very easy to make and so delicious. Now you start out creating this amazing coffee foam. Now if you've seen the Dalgona coffee made online, this is the typical way it's made. You're constantly whisking and whisking and whisking the coffee mixture. Now eventually it gets thicker and then you end up with somewhat decent results and also a powerful workout. Okay? Now alternative methods used such as electric mixers and handheld beaters are the most effective, but are very time consuming. Now when I was recommended to try this recipe, you guys, I knew exactly the right tool for the job, the Vitamix AER DISC Container. Now of course, you need a Vitamix to use this. Now the typical Vitamix blades are best for food processing. Now the AER disc uses a circular disc with holes to aerate, which makes it perfect for creating foam. Now this is how the AER disc works. It creates a cyclonic action, but instead of blending, it's aerating. When I introduced the Vitamix AER DISC Container in a previous video, I made my cold brew coffee fog. Now it easily created foam in seconds with just ice and brewed coffee. Now Dalgona coffee is made with just 3 ingredients: instant coffee crystals, granulated sugar, and hot water. Now since this is scooped on top of milk, I don't count milk as an ingredient. Now even if you're not a coffee drinker, you guys, you may grow to love this drink fast. Now this requires not much preparation. Just have your coffee and your sugar ready. And then you want to boil some water. Now the hot water is important to dissolve the sugar in the coffee. To make the Dalgona coffee foam, I'm using the Vitamix Ascent A3500 in Candy Apple Red. Now because of the AER DISC Container's size, I slightly adjusted the recipe for efficiency. So we're going to start off with 1/4 cup of the instant coffee crystals. Two tablespoons of granulated sugar. And 1/3 cup of our hot water. Snapping my lid in place. Now it's a very small amount of ingredients, but they still need to dissolve. So I'm going to go ahead and move the container around a bit in order to dissolve the sugar and the coffee into the hot water before aerating. Now while it's not completely necessary, you guys, it's a good practice to get the best results. Now I'm going to simply press start and ramp up the speed to around speed 7 or 7 plus if you have this model Vitamix. Completely done. Shocking, right? Now once the mixture rises and stops spinning around, it's complete. Now removing the lid so you can see it. Take a look at this. Firm peaks. Now turn it upside down so you can see the mixture is solid. Want to see that again? Very firm. How about one more time? Okay. Shocking. This was done in under 30 seconds, you guys. Now it's almost time for my famous pouring, but I'm going to show you a close-up first. Now this is how your foam should turn out. It should be light, airy, and firm. Now this makes it easy to spoon right on top of the milk. Now this is why the AER disc is so invaluable. Now here's where all the magic happens, you guys. Now I'm pouring cold milk into the glass first. Now you can use dairy-based milk, cashew, almond, or any plant-based milk. Now you can pour it over ice if you like, or just use very cold milk. I changed from the cookie scoop to this spatula because the mixture is so firm. Look how beautiful this turned out. Now when you can layer it like this, it's perfect. Now the coffee aroma smells great. Now after you guys watch this, I know you'll be running to my website to order an air disc container, now provided you do have a Vitamix. Now just add a straw to match the color of the Dalgona coffee, and there you go. Now this took so little effort and so little time, with a big reward in the end. That's the way the good things in life should be. Now once you've created the Dalgona coffee, you want to take your straw and mix some of the coffee into the milk. Now what I'd like to do is sip some of the coffee into the straw first, then push the straw down further and sip the milk. Now I get a powerful flavor of espresso first, then some of the milk to balance it out. Now it's almost too pretty to drink, right? But when that rich coffee foam starts dripping over the edge of the glass, it looks too delicious to ignore. This is the best part. No wonder the Dalgona coffee is making so much buzz. An amazing drink recipe that looks like it takes a long time to make, and it does unless you use the right tools such as the Vitamix AER DISC Container. Now you can make this at the last minute as an after dinner dessert as well, and it tastes like an espresso milkshake on a higher level. A word of caution you guys, it will give you a buzz like a triple shot of espresso, but you'll love it. I'll be right back you guys. I'm going to show you how to get an air disc container. Plus I'm going to share with you a huge limited time value on a Vitamix package. So you guys, when you order your Vitamix air disc container, it will come in a box similar to this one. Now it comes with a tamper and a recipe book to help you get started. Now it sells for $144.95 USD, and you can make cocktails, whips, foams, and it muddles. Now I'll have a link to order it on my website, blendingwithhenry.com, or you can grab the link below the video. Now you guys, I want to share with you one of the best values to grab during the Vitamix Spring Mother's Day promotion, the certified reconditioned Venturist V1200. It's a complete package with a 64-ounce container, 20-ounce blending cup with blaze, the tamper, recipe book, and a 5-year warranty. Now it's also compatible with the optional 8-ounce blending bowls, which have become extremely popular. Now for a limited time, it's up to $130 off starting at $329.95. It's for US and Canada customers. Now the links to order will be below the video and on my website, blendingwithhenry.com. And if you were wondering, yes, the air disc container is fully compatible with this machine. Alright you guys, thank you so much. Now please remember to stay safe. Now we will recover from all of this madness together. See you soon.